Hello children, today in this video we will deal with the last topic of our chapter, concept of time. Today we will learn what is a calendar. Children, you all have seen calendar at your home, office, school, etc. From your school also you have got a calendar. So what is a calendar? A calendar tells us days, weeks, months and years. See, this is a calendar. See properly. Days are there: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Month is there, weeks are there, dates are there. Clear? A calendar helps us keep a record of special days such as birthdays and anniversaries. In a calendar there are different dates. We all are having birthdays, anniversaries, festivals, holidays. Calendar helps us to keep memorized and helps us to memorize different days. A week has 7 days. Saturday and Sunday are weekends, whereas the rest of the days are weekdays. 4 weeks makes a month. Usually, 1 month has 30 or 31 days, except February, which has 28 days. 12 months starting from January to December make a year. A year has 365 days. But a leap year has 366 days. A leap year comes after every 4 years. A calendar is useful in making important events for the whole year. It helps people to remember things and plan in advance. Let us recollect the important events in our life. So children, see, this is a calendar. Calendar tells us the days, month and weeks. 1 week there are 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday and Sunday are weekends. Generally, Saturday and Sunday are holidays. That is why these are weekends. And rest of the days, Monday to Friday, are weekdays, means working days, in which we go to school, your father went to office. But on Saturday and Sunday, they are holidays. It is called weekends. In a month, generally there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 weeks are there. In some months there are 1 more weeks. There are holidays also mentioned in the calendar. It helps to remember all the holidays and all the special days. 1 month there are 31 or maybe some month have 30 days. In 1 year there are 12 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. In a year there are 365 days, but In a leap year means February usually have 28 days, but after every 4 years there are 29 days in a February. So the month when February has 29 days, it is called leap year, and the year has 366 days. Now come to page number 45. We celebrate birthdays and anniversaries of our family member with great joy at home. We celebrate our birthdays, your father-mother anniversaries, your grandfather and grandmother anniversaries, and many important days with your family with a very joyful manner. Important events at school are sports day, annual day, painting singing competition, your exam results, PTMs, etc. And important events of our country are Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Then Republic Day on 26th of January. Gandhi Jayanti 2nd of October. Whole country celebrates these days. See, in page number 45 there is fill the missing months. This you have to do in your book. So for today your homework is, in your SST copy you will do page number 45, fill the missing months. Along with that you have to write all the days in a week, all the months, and all the important days like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti with their dates. This is today's homework. Okay children, thank you.